Welcome back, kitchen enthusiasts. We're in the kitchen and we're here to help you decide which best automatic lunchbox to buy today. As always, don't worry about taking any notes. All the links for the products we mentioned are in the description below. Automatic lunchbox heats, cooks, and warms food to keep homemade meals healthier and tastier. Automatic lunchboxes are designed to be compact and portable to bring in long getaways or fieldworks. In this video, we hope to provide you with our list of the best automatic lunchbox and food warmers that are available in the market today. The team has prepared this list for you through comprehensive research. The best automatic lunchbox that have been selected have been chosen based on product features, reviews in the marketplace, quality of finish, and price. And where possible, we've been mindful of the different types of buyers. We do suggest you stick around until the end to see who wins the #1 position on our list. Before we begin, be sure to like the video and subscribe to stay with us in the kitchen, especially if you're interested in more informational list-related content just like this one. Remember, you can find the options to our list in the description down below, as well as timestamps to help you navigate through the video. The best automatic lunchbox coming in at number 5 on our list is the Janolia electric lunchbox. The Janolia electric lunchbox is a portable electric lunchbox that makes heating and steaming food easy. This electric lunchbox is made of food-grade polypropylene material, while its bowls and dish plates are made of stainless steel. For its size, it has dimensions of 8 by 8 by 8 inches, and it weighs over 2.35 pounds. It can hold up to 1.3 liters or 44 ounces of rice, soup, and other similar dishes. Straight out from the box, you get 1 lunchbox, 2 stainless steel bowls, and 1 measuring cup. Its plug is also detachable, and it has an anti-scalding handle for better portability. After testing the product, the team in the kitchen found its removable bowl and dish plate to be quite easy to clean. We were also impressed with its safety features such as waterproof plug and anti-dry burning function. The plug is designed to withstand moist, especially when it's not in use. Due to its anti-dry burning function, the machine will automatically turn off when it's running out of water. This device is easy to use with 4 simple steps. First, add water. Second, put the bowl and plate in the right order. And finally, plug in and turn on. Overall, this automatic lunchbox is portable, made of durable, environmentally safe materials, and easy to use without any complicated steps to follow. With this, the Janolia electric lunchbox has earned the number 5 spot on our list. The best automatic lunchbox coming in at number 4 on our list is the YISSVIC electric lunchbox. The YISSVIC electric lunchbox is compact and portable, which makes it perfect to bring to the office, at school, when traveling, or having a family picnic in the park. It's made of food-grade stainless steel and polypropylene material, making it durable and free from any kind of corrosion. It has a separate fruit box that can hold up to 0.4 liters of your favorite fruit. Furthermore, its stainless steel container holds up to 1.5 liters, allowing you to heat and bring a variety of dishes to work or school. This product has dimensions of 11.06 by 7.32 by 6.5 inches and weighs over 3.1 pounds. Included with this electric lunchbox are 1 spoon, 1 fork, 1 power plug, and 1 user manual. What the team in the kitchen likes about this lunchbox is its fast heating function, which heats up your meal faster than those standard electric lunchboxes. Our team also likes its leak-proof design with its lid latch and rubber ring. This automatic lunchbox has 2 charging ports, one for your regular outlets and the other for charging in the car. It's easy to transport, especially since it contains a storage container for your spoon and fork. Lastly, we found that its power jack cover is waterproof and dustproof. If you're looking for an automatic lunchbox that could easily warm up your meal, then this automatic lunchbox is for you. Overall, this lunchbox is compact, has a great way to separate your fruits from other dishes, can be charged in the car, and is safe to carry anywhere you like. For that reason, the YISSVIC Electric has secured the number 4 spot in our top 5 list. The best automatic lunchbox coming in at number 3 in our list is the FORABEST 2-in-1 Portable Food Warmer Lunchbox. This automatic lunchbox is made of stainless steel and food-grade plastic. It comes with a separate fruit container that can hold up to 0.45 liters of fruit. This lunchbox comes in an insulated carry bag that comes very handy when you're bringing it on long trips or if you're planning to give it as a gift to family and friends. In addition, it comes with a spoon and fork, 1 additional plastic compartment, 1 12-volt 47-inch power cord for cars or trucks, and 1 110-volt 47-inch cord for home or office use. For its size, the FORABEST food warmer has dimensions of 9.72 by 7.28 by 4.69 inches and weighs 2.14 pounds. After testing the FORABEST 2-in-1 Portable Food Warmer Lunchbox, we found that it has a 50 watts fast heating system that heats up your food faster and is ready to eat within a few minutes. It's worth mentioning that it's also leak-free with a secure lid that has 4 clasps. The removable stainless steel food container is also dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. The team was fully satisfied with the product because it's dependable and convenient to use and bring anywhere we liked. Overall, FORABEST 2-in-1 Portable Food Warmer Lunchbox is for getaways, long trips, and made accessible for field workers. It's by far one of the best that we've tested in the kitchen because of its portability, 50 watts fast heating system, and leak-proof design. With this, the FORABEST 2-in-1 Portable Food Warmer Lunchbox has rightly earned the number 3 spot in our top 5 list. The best automatic lunchbox coming in at number 2 on our list is the Crock-Pot Lunch CrockFood Warmer. The Crock-Pot Food Warmer combines a lunchbox and a food warmer into one convenient package. This 2-in-1 lunchbox has a capacity of 20 ounces of your favorite cuisine. Its food container is dishwasher safe and composed of sturdy stainless steel. For its size, it has dimensions of 8x8 by 6.8 inches and weighs over 1.65 pounds. Included with this food warmer are a stainless steel food container, a detachable cord, and a user manual. When the team at In the Kitchen tested this lunchbox, we found that while it's heating the food, the outside section as well as the top remain warm. It also includes a handy handle that makes it very portable and easy to use. Our team also made a special note on its cord storage. Aside from its cord being detachable, it can also be neatly wrapped around its base to keep your countertop or desk neat at all times. Its shape and dimensions make this automatic lunchbox much suited for soup, oatmeal, and similar dishes. Lastly, this product has no on and off button. To turn it on, you need to simply plug and unplug the device. This automatic food warmer has proven to have great features and dependable functions such as its easy grip handle, cord storage, and cool touch exterior. The Crock-Pot Lunch CrockFood Warmer has secured a well-deserved spot at number 2 on our top 5 list. And finally, we come to the number 1 best automatic lunchbox in our list, the HotLogic Portable Food Warmer. The HotLogic Portable Food Warmer looks like an electric lunchbox, but serves a mini oven that allows you to cook, warm, and reheat your food whenever you want. Unlike the ones previously mentioned on this list, this food warmer is made of polyester fabric and is significantly lighter. It has dimensions of 6.75 by 8.75 by 2.5 inches and only weighs a pound. The portable food warmer is compatible with flat bottom sealed containers such as glass, plastic, Tupperware, metal, aluminum foil, and cardboard food containers. It has no complicated steps or procedures to use. You can simply unzip it open, place the food you want to reheat, and plug it in. After testing this food warmer, we found that it could keep the food warm for up to 12 hours and it has a 1.5-liter capacity. Unlike other automatic lunchbox, the HotLogic Portable does not need to be monitored because it keeps your food at the optimum temperature for hours. This portable food warmer is made perfect for prepared meals, leftovers, and frozen food. Our team also made a special note in the way it heats and cooks food. It doesn't leave any frozen centers after heating, and it doesn't overcook food. Lastly, it comes with 8 color and design choices such as paisley, pink, purple, red, black, blue, houndstooth, and floral. If you're looking for a compact oven and lunchbox that successfully heats and prepares food, the HotLogic Portable Food Warmer is a great option. With its additional 12 hours to keep warm feature, this makes you feel safe to keep it plugged in for hours without it overheating. Serving the best for last, the team in the kitchen has placed this food warmer at the number 1 spot on our top 5 list of the best automatic lunchbox in the market today. And there you have it, folks, the 5 best automatic lunchbox which got our team at In the Kitchen excited this year. If you have any contenders for our best automatic lunchbox roundup which you would like our team to test, do drop it in the comments section below and we'll be sure to look it over for our next update. If you like this video and it helps you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our kitchens great. We look forward to seeing you in the kitchen again soon.